What's going on, guys? I'm whispering because it is currently like 6 o'clock in the morning. I am waiting for Jamie to come and grab me, and we are heading off to Castle Coombe again. This time is for the LZ World Tour Part 1, I guess you could say, is the UK edition. They're also heading off to Ireland Sunday, so not today. Yeah, I have zero clue what this day is going to hold. I'll be honest, I wasn't even expected to be picked for media, so I'm grateful that I actually have. I want to try and do behind the scenes, but like I said, I don't know what the day is going to contain, so I don't actually know how much I can film, don't know how much I'm going to be able to film, because I'm going to be running around like a headless chicken, because I am technically working for the event for this one, so it will be a nice thing to go and see, and it's also a lot of drivers that I'd never think they'll ever be able to see again, so yeah, I don't know what this video is going to contain, but whatever it is, hope you enjoy. See you in a bit.
Hello? m.hepper? No.
What's going on, guys? I've come to the realization I am shit at ending videos, and I still haven't filmed anything for the outro for LZ World Tour. Literally just about to start editing it, so I thought I'd better actually give it a finish. Yeah. Crazy ass weekend. It's still surreal to me. Me and Jamie were literally talking about it. It's like, it's so surreal having the likes of LZ, Jimmy Oaks, Suzuki, all that in our local track, which still doesn't feel right. It's really bizarre, but I got to be out with some old friends I haven't seen in a while, so I got to see Irene and Jack, who was actually pitting with Suzuki this weekend, which again I just can't wrap my head around. I actually got some photos of Suzuki in his Ferrari, and he liked it that much to the point he actually gave me a sticker as well as a keyring of his Ferrari, which I have right here. I've not put it on anything yet, but Irene actually did get a photo of Suzuki cuddling me as well once I showed him the photos, because he was that happy with them. So I'm gonna put the photo up somewhere. Don't know if it's gonna be here, don't know what, but yeah, what a weekend. But there's talks about it potentially return next year, so fingers crossed on that front. But yeah, what a weekend, that's all I can say. Anyway, catch you in the next one.